ACHR stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is ACHR Aviation stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Especially with ACHR, I mean, I'm looking to just double down, take it further higher. I'm not even saying this in a way just because, but looking at the pre-market, it's going up. And the last thing, like I said, that I need is a full candle close above 1063. That is only if it stays above 958, right? So basically all that matters for me is whether we break the top line or the bottom line, because it cannot stay in between indefinitely, right? One is going to give, and whatever gives first is how I act. You know, I'm not assuming I'm reacting on whatever the price is going to give me. With ACHR, I got a lot of receipts in the Discord, like I'm talking 15 results. So let me know what is your opinion on this, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.